Hello, this is Rahul Singh, CIO Equities at Tata Mutual Fund. At the outset, let me thank all the viewers for their support in our recent NFO, the Tata Business Cycle Fund. Markets and economy are at very interesting stage now. There are signs that the economy is recovering well, and a combination of strong balance sheet and cash flow of the corporate sector is now beginning to reflect in a potential revival of the investment cycle. For any country to sustain high growth rate of 7 to 8%, it is extremely important for private and government investment cycle to contribute rather than just depending on the consumption cycle. And that is now beginning to happen, as evident in the commentary by some of the industrial and capital goods companies in the recent results season. There is also a gradual recovery of economic activity underway as vaccination drive is likely to catch up before the third wave hits us. Markets, on the other hand, probably went a step further than fair value in some segments. However, valuations for Nifty 50 in absolute sense and relative to emerging markets indicate that while the return expectation from equities has come down slightly, it is still likely to generate higher returns than other asset classes, especially in the context of the ongoing economic recovery which I spoke about earlier. Retail euphoria in small caps needs to settle down somewhat, and that seems to be happening this month already. However, there are multiple drivers of profit growth in the corporate sector, and that will keep coming to support the market valuations on every decline in our view. Our portfolios, meanwhile, at Tata Mutual Fund are positioned well for economic recovery and carry manageable risks in terms of distribution of market capitalization, whether it is large cap, mid cap, or small cap. Overall, in order to navigate the present market scenario and enable risk management along with long-term value creation, we advise investors a combination of hybrid or balanced advantage funds and large and mid-cap or flexi-cap funds. Thank you for your time and hope to keep you updated with regular views going forward every month. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.